Friends, I am back with Practice Sums Part 2. Now what I am doing is chapter Simultaneous Linear Equation. The sum written here is x plus y equals to 3.3, 0.6 by 3x minus 2y equals to minus 1. It's given in the question that 3x minus 2y is not equal to 0. So how will we solve this? What we have to do is, we have to solve the equation. That is, we have to find the values of x and y. Okay. So what I'll do first, I'll do cross multiplication here. So it will be 0.6 equals to minus 1 into 3x minus 3x plus 2y. Okay. This is the sum. Now I want to change the equation. So what I'm doing is, I'll write 3x minus 2y equals to minus 0.6. I have done this. Why did I do that? I multiplied the equation with minus so that I can solve my equation easily. So now my equations are x plus y equals to 3.3 and 3x minus 2y equals to minus 0.6. What will be my next step? My next step is to multiply one of the equation or both the equations to any one number or numbers so that I can cancel any one of them. The value of either x or y becomes similar so that I can cancel them. Okay. So what I will do here is, I will multiply this with 2. I am multiplying the first equation with 2. So what will my equation be? 2 into x, 2x plus 2y equals to 6.6. Now I will solve this. Plus and minus are cancelled. What I get? 5x equals to 6.6 minus 0.6 is 6. This is my equation. Then it is x equals to 6 by 5. What is the value of x? 1.2. After this, what shall I do? After this, I'll write now x plus y equals to 3.3. So if x is 1.2 plus y equals to 3.3, this is easy. I'm sure you all can solve this. Y equals to 3.3 minus 1.2. So what will be my final answer? 1.2. So y equals to 2.1. This is how we find out. Okay, this is the one method of solving the equation. I'll show you one more method of cross multiplication. This simultaneous linear equation sum I'll be solving through cross multiplication. To solve it through cross multiplication, I have named the equation A, B and C. There are three terms in the equation. All the three have been termed with A, B and C. A1, B1, C1. In second equation, A2, B2, C2. Now how should I do it? Now here, please remember the trick. Okay, an easy method of doing it. What we'll do, we'll write x by BC, BC minus BC, BC equals to y by CA minus CA equals to 1 by AB minus AB. Little strange, so please don't conclude this improperly. It's B1 C2, B2 C1. It's 1 2 2 1, 1 2 2 1, 1 2 2 1, 1 2 2 1. Remember this trick to solve these kind of sums. Now these were A1, B1 and C1. So B1 is 5 and C2 is minus 4. So x by 5 into minus 4. 5 into minus 4 is minus 20. So x by minus 20. Now B2 is 2. C1 is 9. So 2 nines are 18. Because this is minus 9, it will be minus 18. But because this is minus 18 into minus, it is plus 18. I'll repeat. It's B2C1. That's 2 into minus 9, which is minus 18. Minus into minus is plus, so this is plus 18. equals to y by C1 A2. What is C1? C1 is 9, A2 is 3. Minus 27. Minus 9 into 3 is minus 27. Then it's C2. C2 is minus 4. A1. A1 is 8. 4 8s are 32. It's minus 32 because this is minus. Minus 32 into minus is plus 32. Plus 32 equals to 1 by A1 B2. A1 is 8, B2 is 2. So A2s are 16. This will be 16. Then A2 is 3. B1 is 5. 5 3s are 15. It's plus only. So plus into minus, minus 15. Okay. Now what will be my final answer? X by minus 2 equals to y by 28, 29, 30 and 2, that is 5. Y by 5 equals to 1 by 1, that is 1 only. Okay, so now x equals to y equals to 1. So what will be my next step? My next step is now x by minus 2 equals to 1. So x equals to minus 2, then y by 5 equals to 1. So y equals to 5. This is how I have solved it. So when you see the textbooks with cross multiplications and it's a little difficult, but when if you remember this trick of 1 2 2 1, it will be easy. This is how we solve this and find the value. My next sum is from expansions. The question says 2x square minus 8 into x minus 4 the whole square is given in the question. Find the value of coefficient of x cube and x. And it also says if there is any constant, please let us know the value of the constant. Okay, it also asks you the value of constant. Now how will I solve this? What I have to do? This is 2x square minus 8 and this is x minus 4 the whole square. For whole square what formula I have given? A plus b the whole square. So here it will be 2x square minus 8 into x square a square plus b square minus 2ab is the formula used here. Okay, so x square plus 4 4s are 16 minus 2ab. 2 into 4 is 8. 8 into x, so minus 8x. Next step is multiply these two. 2x square into x square, 2x to the power of 4. Then 2x square into 16 plus 16 2s are 32, 32x square. 2x square into 8x, 2s are 16, it is minus, so minus 16x cube. Then minus 8x square. So we are going to say 8x square. Then 8 16s are 128. So it will be minus 128. Then 8 minus 8 into minus 8 plus 64x. Now I'll solve this equation. 2x4 I'll write it as it is. Plus 32x square minus 8x square. So what it will be? 4 8s are 32, 3 8s are 24. So it will be plus 24x square. Okay. Then minus 16x cube. It's written as it is, minus 16x cube. Then this, I have solved this with this one. So I will not take this again. This I did not solve, I have taken it here. x4 I have taken as it is. Minus 128 I will be taking as it is because I don't need to subtract or add anything to it. Then comes plus 64x. Again I am taking it as it is. If I want to write this in order, I should actually write it as 2x to the power of 4 minus 16x cube plus 24x square plus 64x minus 128. Okay. Now what did the question ask from me? What did the question ask? The question asked you the coefficient of x cube. What's the coefficient of x cube? It is minus 16. So my final answer is coefficient of x cube is minus 16. Then it also asked me the coefficient of x, which is 64, plus 64. Then it also asked me if there is a constant, please tell us the value of it. Which one is the constant here? The one without the variable is called a constant. So minus 128 is the value of the constant. That's it. Please do not get confused in your exams by seeing such kind of sums and how to do it. That's called coefficient. The value, number that's given with the variable is called coefficient. Now in this sum is to find the value of a and b. How should we do? The question says 2 plus square root 3 by 2 minus square root 3 equals to a plus b square root 3. We have to find the value of a and b. This question belongs to rationalizing. So what should I do? I should rationalize the denominator. So how will I rationalize the denominator? 2 plus square root 3 by 2 minus square root 3. I should multiply them with the positive number. Because this is negative, I will multiply it with positive. So it will be 2 plus square root 3. Whatever I have multiplied the denominator with, I should multiply the numerator also with the same number. So it is 2 plus square root 3. Let me solve this now. 2 2s are 4 plus 2 square root 3. 3 2s are again plus 2 square root 3. Then 3 square root 3 into square root 3. Plus 3. Understood what did I do here? Because it's square root 3 into square root 3, it will be only 3. Now denominator. Denominator, if you remember, a plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. So it is 2 square minus square root 3 square. So what it will be? This will be 4 and this will be square root 3 into square root 3, 3. Which will be 1. So my denominator is only 1. Okay, my denominator is 1. Now 4 plus 3 is 7 plus 2 2s are 2 and 2, that is 4 square root 3. So it is 4 square root 3 plus 7 by 1 equals to a plus b square root 3. Now this one denominator doesn't have any value, correct? So I remove this. Now where is my square root 3? Here. So this is b and this one is a. So a equals to 7 and b equals to 4. Easy? Thank you.